why haven't options really taken off yet? They did in TradFi with structured products and Robinhood, and in DeFi we see everybody using perps. I feel like there's a new perp protocol coming out every week. And yeah, I don't know if it's just kind of an excuse that people say like options haven't taken off yet because of perps. Maybe that's just kind of an excuse. Maybe we need to really just analyze why they haven't and figure out a solution. So what are your thoughts on that?
Options has always been seen as a more complex derivatives product. Perps is very easy to get your head around in the sense of, hey, you just long or short, right? And then maybe you got funding rates, but that's not really that complex to understand, right? So especially when you're looking at, let's say, meme coin trading or the lower cap trading markets, it's very easy to create a perps market. It's not that complex, right? But when you're looking at creating an options market, you need quite a lot of liquidity and much more variation in the interest of participants, because the interest of a buyer of an option is very, very different to the interest of a seller of an option, right? So let's say for very low liquidity altcoins, you might see a lot of buyers of options, but you might not see that many sellers.
When you take a look at what options are, they're pretty complex derivative products. So you need a lot of liquidity, you need access, you need good user interface. And I think although the space has come a long way, DeFi is still very confusing to normal people. It's very it's not intuitive to get certain things on chain, right? There's a lot of friction there. So what Robinhood, what TastyTrade, what some of these other traditional brokers did for internet, online trading and giving access to these products to individual investors, I think we've yet to see that sort of happen for DeFi in general.